you slapped all Yoko?
That be I.
Remember where your satellite dish?
Sure, if you help me scoop up my flat meat, sophisticated city youngster, those darn revenuers don't like me selling roadkill.
Thank God I didn't fail that race again. I failed 2 races the last part. It's kind of embarrassing.
You got it.
No, you don't normally fail races. It's just, I was just, you know.
I done did that before.
Not just
That was better than the movie box.
better than me. Alright, there. Gotta collect coffee. Now this should take.
Bingo!
Gotta
Oh, I
collect the
could
rat
make a
meat.
good septic system out of that.
Go by the way, cars. The steering on this thing is not that great either. Oh, get up. You like the music though. Crap, the steering on this thing is. Oh, wow! Big Willie over here.
Oh, damn, I broke my equipment off.
Come on.
That's totally
Get out of the way,
awesome.
train. Oh, jeez, I need to hurry up. Move out of the way. I got 24 seconds. Oh, I got this. This ice shot big time. Yes. Get out of the way. There we go. That flat means it crushed the bird.
Whoa, wicked.
I wish I had some little big guys like I saw them on the TV.
So I got me
Now
some
we got
rat
to
meat.
deliver the delicious goods to the fire. I sure hope they like steak dogs, because I do. Please stop what you are doing. No one can say what the meat in this town of meat.
What? Watch the next one.
You got real pretty acceleration. Oh, I'm gonna have to sell my smell hound to pay for that. Oh, I could have made a good septic system out of that.
Amazing. Oh, turn.
You haven't seen the last of me. Eat asshole eaters.
Oh, what? Alright.
Time to lay some butter down.
I didn't think I had to get away from someone. Jeez.
Whatever just happened was none of my business. This
Come on,
is
I'm
real
almost
fun.
losing him. I'm almost losing him. Come on.
That was better than the movie box.
Where's my coordinates go? I would have lost it probably, but, no. Come on, so close. Look at that red bar.
Ooh, nice one.
Look at that red bar. It's so close. It's going down more. Oh, no. Oh, wow. And of course, that's where it's going up. I think I have a loss right here. If the red car can get out of the way, and then... Oh, no. Oh, well, I don't think I had him lost.
Simpsons at your service.
Oh my god, this truck I'm driving sucks. Yes! Oh, of course, now I have to go all the way to the Krusty Burger, huh? Alright, at least I got me some flat meat.
Oh, dog, dang it.
Come to see this ramp. Oh, wow, it is
you're saying?
What?
Don't worry, that's still here fast.
You think I'm stupid? You thought wrong.
Can drive 55 miles an hour. I wish I had some really big tires like I saw it on the TV news. Oh, I'm gonna have to throw my smell hound to pay for that.
Because I'm gonna drive a different car than what I'm driving now.
Oh, I could have made a good septic system out of that. Whatever just happened was none of my business. Oh, man, I broke my whitlet off.
Right. Have you tried?
Whee!
Barry got to deliver the delicious food to the fire. I sure hope they like steak dogs, because I do. Please stop what you're doing. No one can sell rotten meat in this town but
There's the
me.
stadium.
Move your doggone car, Egypt.
I remember this being here before.
That is better than the movie box. I wish I had some really big tires like I saw it on the TV news. Real pretty acceleration.
Is that Professor Baker told me to go get a blender while I was doing this other mission?
Dang road.
Get this.
All
The
right.
or two radio and the satellite dish. Now, of course, you want to. Oh, I love this guy. I love this doctor.
Finally.
Rusty burgers are made of roadkill? That explains the tire tracks.
Take this satellite dish as a reward. She gets 14 channels, including the outhouse channel. Man, I love watching
The mission
that.
you
Thanks, Impresso Billy.
Point nothing.
Alright, let me go to dang it. I have to collect another thing.
Perfection, diamond and Pittsburgh.
I can't get to Mr. Cloud. Wow. Alright, so that's gonna be an issue. I need to go to Homer.
You expect me to complete a Mark 10 Truckosaurus without a blender? Why don't I just make a plasma blade without a tennis racket for playing out loud? Now fetch me a blender, puree, frappe, and the liquefy.
Now where am I gonna get a blender? Dr. Nick! He loves blended grilled drinks during surgery.
Alright, Mr. Plow. Purchase it.
This was fun.
Monkey see, monkey do. Collect the monkeys before time runs out. Then get the blender. Oh, here it is.
So glad
Mr.
you were
Plow.
service.
I don't know how to pay the handle.
Hi, Dr. Nick.
Hi, everybody.
You seem like a heavy drinker. Do you have a blender?
Jam
Not
it down.
now, okay? My monkeys have
Holy crap,
escaped.
that's a fail.
Can you
Wow,
catch
this
them
thing.
for me? I'll be so grateful.
Why won't they come back to you?
Because I have tortured them horribly, silly.
There's no way I'll be able to fit all those monkeys in my car. I better get a big truck or something.
Of course, some of them you're gonna have to climb up to get.
Fine by me.
Hey, Bart, get up here.
Oh, this is too cool for school.
Okay. Well, I missed it somehow. Okay, now get back into the plow. Alright. Oh no! Wow. One little thing that's going on.
suckers. It's time for some road
Look at that small
Bart
thing
Simpson stuff.
that could ruin you. Oh my goodness, I hate the steering on this thing. Oh jeez, I push. Man, I try to be a building right now. Oh, I thought I was not gonna make it up there.
Bring it on, suckers.
Zach, this Mr. Plow sucks, man. The truck itself just sucks. Yeah, right now, I have to collect all these keys, which I got one more to collect, which is over here. Yay! Alright, guys, with the Spring Monkey Medical Research Center. Gee, that's a lot of words. Oh, you should. I don't know what part you think of that was. Doctor, alright. Oh, stop.
Welcome home,
Why, I can
daddy's
make it
little
right here.
angels. Now, to put electrodes in your brains.
Little angels, now to put electrodes in your brain.